Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from HOTLIGH. Now this is not a hot light, but HOTLIGH. Now I was sent this light from them, they sent it to me, I found it very interesting and it passed evaluation. Now there is a model number here, hopefully you can pick that up, ZF8313-1. You don't need a -1. They are selling these on their Amazon store. Comes in this box. This is a complete kit. Now my understanding of this puts out up to 2,000 lumens, which is a lot of light. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. It's always nice to get contacted via email with lights like this. And some are very surprising, and this one was indeed a very nice surprise. Just a quick guide here telling you how to use it. Very simple and easy to operate this. They give you a card here. Big thank you from them. And you get one USB Type-C charging cable. Pretty long on that. Here's the light here. Let's go ahead and there it is. Nice looking light. It's well built. It's got some weight to it as well. And they show you, now they show it as a work light. I'm not too sure what they mean by that, but I believe this is magnetic. Got the huge side COB LED. It's got the main LEDs on the front. Now they don't say what LEDs are being used in here. See there. 3 of those bad boys there. You got your side COB LED, nice and rugged. This here is RGB lights. Show those to you later. Pretty amazing. 2 switch design. Bottom one runs the COB. This one runs the main LEDs there. You do have a clip. And it looks like you can remove it if you don't want it on there. Style and design on this is nice. Really was impressed with this. Here's the charging port there. Casual carry this. Now these wedge square design flashlights are extremely popular, so I'm seeing more and more companies coming out with their own versions of it. Now let me grab my knife. And there it is. That is a strong magnet. Easily holds its weight on its side. Nice. That is impressive. Does have some grooves here in the body, not only for design in my opinion, but definitely for gripping it. Can table stand that if you need to as well. Make it into a little table lamp. And the machining and finish on this is nice. No issues. Alright, well normally I would open it up and show you the insides, but this is a sealed unit. Now it looks like you may be able to access the batteries probably on each side of here, but not saying that can be done, but just letting you know. Now let's go ahead and go through the UI. The UI is pretty straightforward on this. We'll start off with the COB LED. Cool white. Click it, it will come on higher. As you can see there, it's also a battery level indicator there. Then you've got your UV. UV is nice to have as well. Let me grab a couple of currency bills here. And I've got the 2 bills that were given to me by Larry. Another thank you. We're going to go ahead and turn it on here. Now we've got the UV. Kind of show you, these bills are pretty amazing. Got the little speckles, as you can see there. But then on the back, they're really pretty interesting on how well they do their bills. Unlike ours, just one little strip. You can see the specs there on the side. Got that little hologram there. That is pretty amazing on their currency, which is better than ours. And then you turn it off. It does glow in the dark, so let me get my light turned back on and we'll show you some more this thing can do. Okay, so now I got the light back on. So now let's go ahead and show you again. Nice thing about this is on any of these light levels, you can actually press and hold to dial it down. So you can ramp it up, or you can ramp it down. It will blink when it gets to the highest output. This thing is impressive. And that's on any level. So if you go on this level, you again can ramp it up or ramp it down. Now, I kind of wish you could program it. That would be cool. And then ramp it down. Cool white. Let's take a look here at the beam. As you can see, just pure flood. And we're right back to the UV. So now we're going to do the main LEDs. Turn it on. See there, it's got a nice focused area there. And you can ramp it up or ramp it down on this LEDs as well. A lot of lumens coming out of here. That's the beam there. Kind of narrows a little bit. Then of course got the highest output there. That's nice beam on here. Again, it's impressive. But the thing that steals the show with this light is going to be these little RGBs. So here on the bottom button, you're going to double click. And now you've got the RGBs. Look at that. Probably one of the better ones I've seen, and I've seen quite a few of these. Now you can click it to go through those. Green, my favorite color. and we'll show you all the colors that it does. Till we get back to red. There we go. Click it one more time. Now you've got it going through all of them. That's pure eye candy here. This camera does this no justice. Okay, now it's fully lit up and changing colors on its own. And that's all there is to it. This RGB LEDs steals the show in my opinion, but these here do very well on their own. This will generate some heat when you're having it on the highest outputs, and just letting you know, use it wisely, tone it down a little bit. If you need the highest output, of course, go ahead and do so. It will cycle down due to heat automatically, so no worries if you do forget. Also simple and easy to operate this, nothing difficult. Alright, well let's wait no further. Let's take this HOTLIGH out, see how it does in the wilderness. We're out here in the darkness with the HOTLIGH. We're going to start off with the main LEDs first. Let's go ahead and get started. Not too sure how bright it's going to be. There we go. You can ramp it up and down. Let's see, 138 feet coming from this. Doesn't have a lot of range on this, but it has a large field of view here. Ramp it up here, and we'll ramp it down a little bit too as well. Oh, we'll ramp it down first. That's the lowest, as you can see. Kind of give you an idea. Now we'll ramp it up here in the highest setting. It will blink when it's on the highest. Look at that. 2,000 lumens. That's impressive light. It's not going to have a huge range, remember. It's going to have a large wide view. Both beams are pretty much flood. Now we're going to go ahead and do the side light here. Turn that one down. And now we'll turn the other one on. Get ready for it. There it is. That's the lowest setting. It's going to be pure flood way out to the sides. It's going to have a go up to the next level here so you can get an idea. So it is making 138 feet there. Look at that. That is impressive. Still beam profile here. And of course, you've got the RGBs, and then we've got the UV. We got the lights here now. Gonna kind of show them to you here on the fence, probably be a better Got the red. These are just eye candy. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots from this HOTLIGH flashlight. Got the best of both worlds, both in flood, and you got a good little combination beam here. Does lean a little more towards the flood in my opinion, but it's there. The big stealer of the show on this light is the RGBs. They are crystal clear and bright. Easily can see them. So if you want to set this up in your room, listening to some music, set up a pattern, it's actually really nice to have. Pure eye candy, what I call it. Rugged construction, not seeing any issues with this. USB charge it on the go. Very simple, ramping, one of my favorite types of UIs. So you can set it, it's got presets ready to go. You got a battery level indicator there on the bottom. That is really nice, and it's large. It'll start to drop down as the battery starts to get low. But in case you've got triple LEDs here for the main beam. It doesn't have a huge amount of distance, but it's definitely better than the COB LED. The UV, great to have if you want to carry it with you. My understanding, people look for insects with them, as well as detect a counterfeit currency. You've got that right here. Well, I want to thank HOTLIGH for sending me this flashlight of theirs to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, they sell them on their Amazon store. I will leave a link down below where you can get this. I'm also working on a special discount code, and if I do get that, it'll be there as well to help you save some money on this, just in case you're interested. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these new lights from HOTLIGH to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.